If you're experiencing error on your Microsoft Store, here's how are you going to use it or fix it. First, go to the settings of your PC or laptop and go to services and click on the open options. Once you open it, you will see the variety options of the Microsoft. Scroll down until you see the Microsoft Store, install the service. Afterwards, you will see that it is disabled, might be the reason why you are experiencing a problem. So what you need to do is to click on the automatic and click on OK. Afterwards, you have to go down to the service status. You see that it is still running, so you have to stop it. What you need to do is click on stop and click on OK. Afterwards, go to the apps options once again from your laptop or PC, and then go ahead and click on the system components option. From the system components option, click on the repair option. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and open your Microsoft Store to see if it's working already.